이앤에이치 company and leads the supply of new and renewable energy. i앤에이치's motto is to develop and distribute green products for the harmonious development of the environment and people. Our company was launched as a corporation specializing in renewable energy in May 1998 and has started to lead the full-scale renewable energy supply business through factory registration in 2002, electrical construction business, and metal window construction business registration in 2005. After the establishment of the Corporate Research Institute in 2009, the R&D base was established and a total of 18 patents related to solar power and switcher were registered. We are operating a factory that optimizes quality, cost, and delivery time through the Yongin factory, which is the second factory. Major achievements include starting a solar power supply project hosted by the Korea Energy Agency in 2002 when domestic solar power was in short supply. The head office is located in current Digital Tower, 27, Jiangsui Road 7 Gil, Singdong-gu, Seoul. In the headquarters office, the marketing department, quality control department, design department, and other related departments, which are the organizations in charge of this business. The head office is located in current Digital Tower, 27, Jiangsui Road 7 Gil, Singdong-gu, Seoul. In the headquarters office, the marketing department, quality control department, design department, and other related departments, which are the organizations in charge of this business. And to increase communication opportunities, and we are actively implementing them. Our company connect R&D to realize high-quality commercial products for our solar power generation devices and ESSs. First, as a controller that implements the auxiliary operation device of the smart fire extinguishing system, it prevents the fire damage from increasing by forcibly operating the fire extinguishing system when the automatic fire extinguishing system cannot operate normally. Energy storage device. Second, the road lighting two-way wireless monitoring system is a controller for implementing our patented lighting device controls system using current sensor. The road lighting two-way wireless monitoring system is a system for resolving civil complaints and reducing communication costs, power charges, and management fees through efficient management and control of road lighting. Third, the data collection device collects information such as the amount of power generation and operation status through power line communication from the micro inverter attached to the solar panel and transmits it to the solar monitoring system via the internet. Fourth, the micro inverter is a distributed system that converts electricity collected from the entire solar array from direct current to alternating current directly into alternating current in individual modules rather than in a centralized system. Microinverter is equipped with maximum power point tracking, that is, MPPT control function, and can improve problems such as partial shade and device aging. Each test equipment is thoroughly calibrated by a professional calibration institute for each calibration cycle to prevent test errors from occurring, thereby composing a laboratory environment for optimal R&D. Our R&D center has been playing an active role in improving the performance and quality of facilities by not only securing a number of in-house patents through various R&D activities since its establishment, but also applying them to products and facilities. Currently, our research institute is developing and improving the performance of a smart fire extinguishing and disaster prevention system, auxiliary operation device, which is an automatic fire extinguishing system as a controller that implements our patented smart fire and disaster prevention system of solar power generation device and energy storage device. It is responsible for preventing the fire damage from increasing by forcibly operating the fire extinguishing system when the normal operation of the system is not performed. and this controller is applied to our solar power generation system and energy storage system. Our first factory, Namyangbu Factory, is located at 286 Mokoji Road, Sodongmayan, Namyangbu-si, Gyeonggi-do, and is in operation after relocating the existing Chongjin factory to this place in September 2021. This Namyang plant is engaged in assembly and production activities for switchgear and charge-discharge system, PCs for energy storage devices and solar power generation systems. Part of the S-charging discharging system, PCs, is assembled at this plant, and some of the finished products produced at the Yongin plant are stored and shipped. The finished PCs product for as in the video is a product that is waiting for shipment after product inspection has been completed. When it is taken out to an external customer site, it is safely moved and loaded using a hoist or forklift installed at the top of the building. For all products, only those products that have received a judgment of conformity after completion of production and test inspection using measuring equipment are shipped, and non-conforming items are moved to a separately designated non-conformity storage area for cost analysis and action. All product production process management in the factory conducts acceptance inspection, process inspection, and product inspection according to the ISO manual, and then only carefully selected suitable products are provided to customers. We are moving forward with our activities. On the second floor of this factory, the factory offices and conference rooms are located. Our second factory, Yongin Factory, is located at 9 Baekuk-dera 1300 Bangil, Cheonggu, Yongin-si, Gyeonggi-do. This Yongin plant is in operation as a dedicated assembly and production plant for charging and discharging systems, PCs for energy storage devices. Before shipping the assembled produced PCs, we conduct direct test and inspection using the test and inspection equipment installed in the factory before shipping the product. Currently, we are only assembling and producing PCs for energy storage devices that we directly supply to public institutions. Assembly and production process management, test inspection, and non-conforming product management at this plant are carried out in accordance with the ISO Quality Management Manual as in Namyang plant to secure the best performance and quality for the supplied products and secure firm competitive advantage in the market. We are making continuous and company-wide efforts for the monitoring system utilizes the remote control function to check the PMS operation status for us firefighting prevention and surplus power control for Our company took the initiative in the government's solar power pilot distribution policy project and has been supplying solar power generation facilities and energy storage devices to more than 2,000 houses, local governments and public institutions, factories, general buildings, and private power plants across the country. In particular, we exported 26 megawatt solar power generation facilities to Japan and played a leading role in overseas export of solar power facilities. Based on our technological superiority, we are in the process of overseas commercialization, and in particular, as the overseas market of S is expected to expand, we will actively strive for export commercialization. We are accumulating various know-how and technologies through the supply and installation of solar power facilities and energy storage devices, and we will continue to develop into a technologically powerful company through continuous improvement in the performance of products and facilities. In the meantime, according to our leading efforts and activities in the field of solar power and energy storage, we have received numerous commendations from each institution. In particular, in the procurement government-funded market, the supply of our products has an absolute advantage over competitors, and accordingly, we have been awarded a commendation from the Director of the Public Procurement Service 3 times. It also received the Presidential Citation for Renewable Energy Industry Packaging and the $10 million Export Tower. Based on our know-how and technological prowess, we promise to not only respond to the government's new and renewable energy promotion policy, but also develop into a global new and renewable energy company.